come spend a day with me as a single working mom. Hi, this is your Beshi Cake na ngayon ay Mommy Cake na. Yes, I'm introducing myself because I've been gone for 6 months, I guess. I am active on my other social media account but na-abandon lang nako ning YouTube channel nako. Anyway, I think daghan ta ko i-catch up from my previous videos here on my YouTube channel. Naka-upload ko nga nag-play school sa Avery. And update ana, wala na mo tiwasa because hindi ko pa pala kaya. I think we only lasted 2 weeks, supposedly 1 month. That's one of my lesson learned nga dili na ko i-pressure akong self because knowing nga bago pa mi namalhin ato and wala pa mi system sa amo ang new home and then na timingan pa gyud nga morning iyahang schedule. So it was super hectic. Hug tek-tek. Chares. Next is I gained fucking weight. Chares si fucking but yes, I do get sad sometimes and mahulog nga mag-stress eating ko or like do nothing. But you know, I do have self-awareness naman so this mag-oola na nga part. Next is wala na ko vlogging camera. Kiba mo nga no? Ako siyang gibarter sa akong amiga para sa iyahang cabinet because I badly needed a cabinet and it is still good condition. Anya mamali ay si oversharing naman. Anyway, I might do a separate video sa mga things nga na-learn ako during the times nga wala ko upload. Anyway, mamartir di ay may karong alas 4. Time check, it is 1 p.m. Hala ka sa'yo, good 4 p.m. pa. Hala sis. To be honest guys, if you're a mom, dapat like ahead of time ka. If gusto ka nga, you look presentable. But me as a content creator, I have to film my getting ready. Aside ana, nakaligo na akong anak but wala pa siya nag-ilis. So, nataod na lang cause once makailis na siya, gusto siya mugawas na dayon. Aside sa ana, cause I still have to do dishes, clean some cluttered, and prepare our stuff. So it's been a while and I don't know, let's just see if sisipagin ulit ako. But yeah, I've been posting on TikTok but more on affiliate videos because your mommy cake needs money. But anyway, kanang mga naasa ako ang TikTok is something na nagamit yun ako and I truly enjoyed or I truly like. If you guys want to see other stuff or man, I don't know. Girl, gwapa lagi ko diri. Look at my makeup. Gabuhat ko, gasway ko ka ng mga igari computer sa David ha. And then, ang akong contact lens, kay mura siya ka ng makadako sa mata. So, I don't know. I feel like medyo bagay siya sa makeup. Karoon pa na ako na-appreciate. Char! CR! Where are you, CR? Dili na fresh. Strawberry? We are here at Play Cloud by E&S. It is such a nice concept, no? Na iheld ang birthday party sa usa ka playroom because everyone can just have fun and be kids. Donuts! Donuts! What's this? This is not soap. This is... Abi ba na kids ra? Are you cook na It's done, baby. Mga weird questions nga ako madawat no is, kanus daw na ako sundan si Avery? Ang pangutana, si Mama Mary ba ako, Chares? Ang itaas sa siguro ko ninyo o uyab no? Bitaw, as much as I love kids, pero dili na nako kaya ang magbuhi pa from scratch. Ay, si Uwi sa scratch, mura magi-drawing. Bitaw, dili na nako kaya nga mag-back to zero, pregnancy to newborn. It's too much. Bitaw, nasa realization about healing our inner child. Sabi na kung healing our inner child is through toys, but usa sa akong healing my inner child kay saying sorry when I know nga unnecessary ako ang kalagot or kasapot sa akong anak. You know, there are times na lisod, naagit times na lisod yun na siya igawas sa baba. But when I look at him, muro gi comment akong heart. Comment below if naghilak ba ko or wala. Bitaw, thank you Miss Kat for inviting us and happy birthday Dandan. Look at this boy dancing sa happy birthday song. He really had fun. Bisag duka na siya now. Play lang ng play. Also, one of my realizations is dapat dili nato abusaran ang nagpakaon nato. Ito, dili magpadala sa money. I mean, basta let's just be fair. Like, every day I get anxiety when it comes to my work. Grabe ra ba ko ka people pleaser? But, I'm trying to unlearn that. And also, I try to remind myself na mo trust lang sa Ginoo. And all this time, kay wala jud ko niya gibasagdan. Anyway, mao lang sa niya atong video for today, but hopefully naapay masunod. Hopefully, see you on my next vlog.